What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. So we have yet again another mail call video. This is a trade I did with a guy named Scott. He actually had a car that I really wanted, and I actually had a duplicate of the 2020 GT500 from GameStop, the red version of it, which is right here in case you guys need a reference. I actually had a second one, so I was like, hey, I have a second GT500. I really want the car that you're offering up. So we did the trade. He threw in some extras. I threw in a couple extras in his box that I already sent out. Hopefully he gets that soon. But before we get to that, guys, I know a lot of you were completely freaking out. A lot of you were actually supportive of me opening up 300 cars. Now in the video it was 150, but when I came home I actually added 2 more shelves and opened up even more. So all my Mazdas, the buses, a couple of the Erikenstein rods, the hot rods, I opened those up. All these bone shakers were already loose except for that one I already opened, the Roger Dodgers. Now all of these cars, guys, I'm not going to regret opening. All of these look so good outside of the blister. All my Corvettes, the 4 GTs, the GT40s, all my blue cards, my Camaros, everything is still carded. Check this out, guys. I got this corner completely set up. It's a little bit of Grandpa Larry's corner mixed in with Christina and Donnie's Hot Wheels race team and Dane's package that he sent. I was able to get some M2s on this wall. This wall still needs to be pegboarded for future mail call videos. I moved all my chase cars over here. My Porsches, Lamborghinis, Nissans, and Datsuns are still carded. So even though I opened up 300 cars and a lot of them were already loose, if you guys remember that package I got with all those loose castings, look at how many cars I still have in my man cave. Check this out. Still wraps around the wall, still goes around that frame. That's still completely full. That wall is completely full. This one is kind of set aside for more imports and JDMs and all that. Still goes all the way around, guys, so don't freak out. I actually just built this shelf for my M2 haulers. I'm probably going to add a few more going down each side. That way when I get more hauler variations, I can just stack them up through there. So that is where my collection is at, guys, so don't freak out. I'm not gonna open up everything from here on out. I just wanted to free up some room, actually bring out some nice castings. A lot of these blisters were in pretty rough shape. Some of them just fell right off. So it was time to free some of these cars. So I definitely appreciate all of you who supported my video yesterday. I know there was a few of you freaking out, but don't worry. I'm not going from carded to loose collecting. I just wanted to actually have a nice display of loose cars that I really like. Back to the package, guys. All right, so like I said, I traded my second GameStop exclusive GT500 for what is in this box. So let's go ahead and open it up. What is in the box? All right, we got a letter. It says, "The Mustang Hunter, thanks for your service to our country and all that you do for Hot Wheels and the DIECAST community. In this box, I included the trade car we made a deal on and a few others. Some you may have, some you may not. Trade them, customize them, it's okay by me. I just got back into Hot Wheels after a lengthy break, so I have started including them on my channel on YouTube. Low96HB. Everyone who sees that, go support his channel. Let's get his channel back and going. Have a great day and may God bless. Low." Thank you so much for that. That is awesome. I love seeing other people start their channels and getting their collection out there for everyone else to see. So let's see what we got here. Oh man, check this out. Ooh, is this another fatback? Nice, dude. It is another fatback Mustang GT. Check this out. In yellow enamel, and I actually do have it. This was actually one of the few cars that my boss came in and was like, "Hey, do you have this?" And I was like, "Actually, I've never seen that." And he was so excited. And check it out, I got a second one. That is so cool. Of course, guys, I'm not gonna open this one. You know how I am with blue cards, and especially ones that are like of this era. I'm not gonna open it up. So that is awesome. All right, he threw some loose castings in here. Let's get these opened up. Ooh, what is this? I see a nice gold base. Ooh, you got a lowrider in here? Oh, that is nice. What is that, an Impala? Oh, that is nice. Look at that metallic green. Is this a 63? 65. 65 Impala. Oh, that is fresh. Look at that. Jeez, man. 63, 64, even the 65, man. I would love to have a lowrider one day. Completely black with black Daytons. Oh, check that out. And look at that. I even made some room for some loose castings up here. That is sick. Let's see, what do we got right here? We got another loose one. Ooh, nice. We got another 98 Cobra right here. Check it out. We got the black variation of it. Look at that deco. Let's see. I'm trying to remember which variation, if this is the newer release or the older. If you got the 98 Cobra, and this one is the 98 first edition. This is exactly why I like keeping all my Mustangs and stuff that I really love carded, because that gave me a quick reference. I don't have to look up to see what release or what variation. But look at this. This is in really good shape. That is nice. Love the gold lace wheels. All right, let's see. Oh, I know who's gonna be excited for this. Check this out. You got the 2010 Mustang GT in yellow enamel. Look at this. Now, the awesome thing about this, guys, is I have it carded already, but there is a subscriber who really wants this particular casting that he actually got from his dad, and he had ruined it. I've been trying to go to the cubby hole to pick it up for him, but since I just got it as an extra, awesome. So I'm gonna pay it forward and I'm gonna send this out. He will definitely know when he sees this that this is going to be sent to him. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside. That is awesome. Nice. All right, what else do we got in here? And Lo, I appreciate you sending me these extras, man. I was not expecting that. We got another K&N Corvette Z06. Awesome. I do have two of these, which I bought the second one for a custom. Now this is going to be another custom, or in case I ruin the first one, at least I have a second. Here we go, guys. The other color variation of the 19 ZR1. I do have two of these, but I would like to open it up and put it on display because this color is just nice. But before I get there, guys, I will keep it carded for just a little bit longer. But that is just one of my favorite colors for this casting. Look at that. That color is so nice. So this is the car right here that I traded the GameStop exclusive for, and I cannot wait. I am so excited. Here we go. The Treasure Hunt Ford Mustang GT in gold. Look at this. Nice. So if you guys remember this casting, I actually received it loose from Ford's Man 84, and I have it actually in my display right over here. So I do have it loose, which is awesome because it goes in my display, but now I have it carded, and that is what I really wanted, was to have this one carded. So you guys already know I am not opening this one, but this is definitely going into the wall of treasures and super treasures. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, in case you guys are always wondering, because I always get that question how I do it, every other hole gives a nice staggered stack. Of course, the Mercedes has got to be super huge, so this one's got to be 4 up because the blister is just so tall. Boom. Rehang the super, and there we go. Awesome. That is exactly what I wanted to get, was that one right there. So Lo, thank you so much for what you sent. Of course I have these, but as I always say, guys, duplicates are always good to have. These are going to be customs 100%. Even though I love that blue, that would look so good in probably like a cherry red or a dark emerald or something like that. So stay tuned for these. This one right here, guys, of course I'm keeping this one carded. Absolutely love these. I think they're super cool and unique. And then this one, guys, I cannot wait to send this to the subscriber who is really wanting this one. So I'm actually excited you threw this one in there, Lo. So thank you so much for that. Awesome trade. Like I said, guys, I wasn't expecting any of the extras. I knew he said he was going to throw in a Corvette or Corvettes or something like that. But all I really wanted was this Treasure Hunt Mustang. Awesome 65 Impala as well as the 98 Cobra. Those things are awesome. Probably gonna be my pocket car for the day. 98 Cobra. Yep, that's what it's gonna be. Pocket car for the day. So that is all I got for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what your thoughts are of the new setup of my complete, almost like a store now. I did save all of the cards. Check this out. I saved them for reference, really. I didn't want to throw those away. So like I said, as always, I appreciate every single one of you. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.